Izzy the gallop Nysch. No make noise you prickle, because that your husband prick. He be like bended banana. I shower life is supposed to be